You ever feel like you're not making progress? Like you're stuck learning the same loops and functions over and over again? The problem might be you've been sold a few lies. There are a lot of things beginner programmers believe that are just wrong, and they're holding you back. So today, let's destroy 5 of them. Let's start with the biggest one, the one that wastes the most time. Myth 1. You need to master everything before building projects. Now I see new programmers come in every day ready to learn, but then they do this. They watch every tutorial. They read every article. They do this before writing even one line of code. But projects teach you way more than tutorials ever will. You'll learn what it's like to actually use code to build something. You'll learn how to break down a big problem into smaller ones and solve them one by one. You'll learn how to Google things because you'll get stuck and you won't know how to proceed. You'll learn how to debug your own code, which is an essential skill. So start building projects now. Don't wait until you've watched every tutorial and read all the documentation. You'll never learn that way. Myth 2. You must learn C before learning modern languages. Now C is a great language and all, but learning it before any other language will only waste your time. If you want to get started quickly, learn Python or JavaScript. They're much easier to learn. They'll get you building projects in no time. And you can always go back to C later. It's not going anywhere. Myth 3. Real devs don't use Google or ChatGPT. This one's a dangerous lie. I've seen it break talented programmers. When I was a new dev, I used to think the best devs don't use Google. They just know everything. But that's simply not true. Even senior devs Google things. I've seen them Google how to center a div just last week. So use Google, use ChatGPT, use all the resources you have. No one expects you to know everything. Myth 4. You're not good at math, so you can't code. This lie is why so many smart people don't go into tech. Look, most dev jobs don't require calculus. They require logic. And you can improve your logic skills. You can learn them. You don't need to be good at math. And finally, myth 5. You need to know everything before applying for jobs. Now this one's a real killer. It keeps so many talented people out of the industry. You'll never know everything. You'll simply never have enough time to learn everything. So apply for jobs. Even if you don't know everything, go for it anyway. Worst case, you'll get rejected. Best case, you might get hired. You'll learn on the job. That's how most people learn. So stop waiting. Stop holding yourself back. Kill these myths. Start building. And if you want more no BS tech talk, hit that subscribe button. I drop new videos every week. See you next time.